Regarding civil engineering. So we'll start with fluid dynamics. Okay, it's quite easy only. Just take the notes along. So fluid dynamics. So this part it deals with various forces acting on the fluid element. Okay, various forces acting on the fluid element. And the major forces, there are three major forces. Okay, so the first one will be pressure force, or you can call it as FP. Okay. Second one will be gravity force, Fg, and third one will be viscous force. Viscous force is Fb. Okay. So fluid dynamics, it'll deal with various forces acting on a fluid element, and there are three major forces acting on that fluid element. And first one is pressure force, second one is gravity force, and third one is viscous force. Okay, see, pressure force, gravity force, you know what it is. Viscous force is nothing but viscous force. Viscous itself means rotational. Okay, viscous means rotational. Okay, so this is the basic thing, and we'll start with some 3-4 analysis. Okay, so what deals with all these three types of forces, we'll look into it. So first one is Navier Stokes equation. Stokes. Wait, Navier Stokes equation. Okay. So Navier Stokes equation or Navier Stokes analysis, it basically in Navier Stokes analysis, all the major forces will be there, or all the three major forces will be taken into account. Okay. So your pressure force, your gravity force, as well as your viscous forces. All these three forces will be taken into account. So for Navier-Stokes analysis, it will be Fp plus Fg plus Fv. So altogether it is Navier-Stokes analysis. Okay, so this is your Navier-Stokes. For Navier-Stokes analysis, all these three forces will be taken into account. Next one is Eulerian analysis. Okay, Eulerian analysis is Euleran. Okay, it's Eulerian analysis. So in Eulerian analysis, your viscous forces will be neglected here, and only your pressure forces and gravity force will be taken into account. Okay, so pressure force plus gravity force. Only these two will be taken into account. So it will be Fp plus Fg. That is your Eulerian analysis. Okay. So these are the two analyses. And viscous flow, I already told you, viscous flow is always rotational flow. Okay, viscous flow is always rotational, while in viscous, or you can call it as in viscid flow. Okay, in viscid flow is irrotational. Okay, in viscid flow it means irrotational. Viscous flow means